Gocator software now supports 3D mesh data generation for advanced shape measurement and inspection of multi-view 360-degree surface scans. Mesh data consists of stitched scans from multiple sensors. The result is a 360-degree surface of the object. Leveraging 6 degrees of freedom alignment, you can generate these high-accuracy mesh scans from wide and ring multi-sensor layouts. For our application example, we scanned a pipe fitting. We chose this part because of its complex 3D shape, which demonstrates the unique advantages of using 360-degree mesh data generated from a multi-sensor system. First, we set up our 4 sensors in a ring layout and scan an alignment target. Captured data from each sensor is displayed simultaneously. Note that during this process, the sensors are not physically aligned with overlapping laser planes. Physical alignment is error-prone and very time-consuming, which is avoided entirely with Gocator's high-accuracy 6DOF alignment approach. Now we add a surface align ring tool to calculate the transformations for our 4-sensor ring layout with 6 degrees of freedom. The result of this high-accuracy alignment are saved in an XML file. Next, we add the XML file from the alignment step to a surface mesh tool. After enabling data processing, Gocator generates a complete 3D mesh of the alignment target. Now, the pipe fitting can be scanned, and the same transformations are applied to the data. The mesh scan is now ready for measurement and inspection. Now, we will apply measurements to multiple features on the 360-degree scan of the pipe. Our measurements include the surface cylinder and the radius of the top surfaces, as well as the radius of the bottom opening of the pipe. To perform these measurements, we simply use the surface mesh projection tool and add a plane angle to project our surface from. We can choose whether we want to output the front surface, back surface, or both, according to our inspection needs. In this case, we will be using both outputs. The projected surface data can then be used as an input for other surface tools. For example, we can apply the surface cylinder tool to the top surface of the pipe fitting and create instances for each surface we want to measure. Next, we want to measure the feature on the bottom of the pipe fitting. To do this, we add a surface circular edge tool to determine the internal radius of the opening. To determine the external radius of the opening, we simply duplicate the tool and change the search direction to inward to generate our measurement result. You can add other measurement tools to 360-degree mesh data in the same way, allowing for advanced measurement on the sides of objects or any other perspective you require. Leverage the power of 360-degree mesh data in the latest version of Gocator software.